Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel Tech for Advice. In this video I'm gonna to show you how to stop automatically downloading and installing updates on Windows 10. Firstly, click on Start menu. Type here Control Panel. Select Control Panel. Now select Administrative Tools. Now select Services. Now here navigate Windows Update. Here is the Windows Update. Double click this one. Select this arrow and click on Disable. So now permanently disable updates for downloading and installing on your PC. Click on Apply and click on OK. So by this simple method you can stop automatically updates. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.